poached eggs, some brisket. That is the pulled beef. And those eggs turned out perfect. Hope you try it out. I had a few of you asking about how I do my poached eggs. It's super simple. A little poached egg hack, so easy to do. And I'll show you guys how I do it in my stories now. And let me know if you try it. You bring the water to a boil, and then I kind of move it over to the side a little bit, and you take an egg cracked in a bowl, and then you just gently drop it in. And it takes about 1 to 2 minutes for it to poach in there, and then you can scoop it out. After a couple minutes, you can just scoop it out gently with a spoon, and you got your poached egg. And then I started again with another one. It's really cool and super simple. Just fish that little one out. There we go. Poached eggs, some brisket. That is the pulled beef. And those eggs turned out perfect. Hope you try it out.